lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Event, and it's day 4 of Vlogmas. So today is Friday. On the agenda is dropping my daughter off at her grandmother's and her other grandmothers, because her other grandmothers have daycare, so she likes to go there and play. 2, I am getting laser hair removal, so I have that appointment. Then 3, I need to stop in Apple Store and see if they can fix my screen on my phone. Even though I'm getting a new phone, I don't know how long it's going to take, but I need to see if they can fix it, because I went to like one of those little off the wall places and the screen have work. And then 4, finally get to go pick up my groceries, hopefully get to pick up my groceries. Let's say hopefully. And then then 5, I have to go stop at my diet clinic to pick up the rest of the week, my 7 days of shots. And then I'm back home and just finishing up some stuff. Kenzie wants to say hi. What do we say? Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and comment down below. You can tell she watched a lot of YouTube videos. Anyway, we are who's your favorite YouTuber? Who's your favorite on YouTube? Who do you like to watch? Who? Ninja Kids? Ah, awesome. All right, see you later. Okay, let's drive and talk. So, I've been oh gosh, you hear my brakes. I gotta take these things back. I went and got brakes done, and I think they put some cheap stuff on here. That's why it's like best to just take your car to the dealership. Anyway, I been up since about 5:30ish. I checked some emails. I do a little side hustle where I do invoicing for a little small company, and the lady had sent back saying the invoice was wrong, and I was looking at it and I realized that they forgot a whole week of billing. So I redid that for her. I woke up I was dreaming about it actually. I woke up in the middle of the night thinking about it. So I sent that off, and then I had a proposal that I was supposed to do last night. I was just too sleepy, or I was just frustrated. So, where was I at? Yeah, so I just couldn't do it. So I did it this morning. Then my daughter woke up about 6:30. Because if I'm not there, I don't know how the child knows her mama's not in the bed with her. So then I end up putting her back to sleep. And then I end up getting up about 8:30 because the lady said the woman texted again, and then they didn't tell me that they served meals so it's for a school, and she didn't tell me that they served meals on Thanksgiving and the holidays. So I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah. So I had to redo that, and I finally sent it again, and then I'm off. Whew, and I'm having a day again. I don't know what it is, but now I'm at the gas station. Like I was saying, what's gonna drive me nuts? Like I was saying, it's like, yesterday, that little one was driving me nuts, and today she was driving me nuts too, because she was saying her socks hurt, and then her shoes hurt, and I just bought her new shoes. It was, I don't know, all day attention. Anyway, like I said, I'm on my way to, I think I'm really, really early. My appointment's not until 12:45, and it's 10:45, so I think I'm gonna go shopping while I'm down there. Dang, I forgot that dress I need to take back. Ugh. Well, I went to, let's see where I go. Oh, I got laser done. I got like my lip and my jaw and my neck. So back 14 years ago when I had my first baby, I did laser like after her, and it went away. But then after this baby, they said like your hormones change or something, and then I started getting hair again. And I am hairy. I don't mind because I got thick hair, but when it comes to this part, no, I don't want to see any kind of hair. So anyway, I did that, and this lady was better than the first time I went. She really was thorough. So anyway, then I went, I just got an email from one of my brides, my New Year's Eve bride. She's going to postpone because half of her guest lists are canceled. So she's going to postpone. That's okay because I didn't order any flowers. I didn't get any staff. So just wait for the date that she gets. So that's the last thing. Well, I do have something on Wednesday, and after Wednesday I am done for the year. So I'm just going to relax. And if something come, it come. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, I'm just going to take it easy. Let's see. So I went to my doctor's and they were at lunch, and I knew it was from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3. I couldn't remember what time lunch was. And now I'm over here at Rainbow. I'm going to go in here and look and see what they have. I really don't need anything, but what I do want are like what would you call them? Like jogger, I don't know, sweatpants.
Is that Chris?
Alright, so I'm in my closet and I need to clean it up. This is ridiculous. So I am going to clean it up, and after that I'm going to just watch some YouTube videos, because I was going to have you guys watch me clean it up, but I'm not going to be able to sit here and do all this and not. I need to remember to look here, not there. Look here. Ooh, by the time this is over, I'm gonna be good at this vlogging stuff. Yes. But tomorrow, what am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I think tomorrow's just gonna be a lazy clean up the house day. Because my last event of the year can. So hopefully I can clean this up, and then tomorrow, well, Saturdays is usually our cleanup day, and it only stay clean for 2 days. I gotta figure out something for dinner. Shoot, man, I don't know. Oh my gosh, I have to think of something. Dang it. Anyway, well, you guys, after this I'll go pick up my daughter, and I'm just gonna chill and watch some TV, eat me some food. I gotta drink water. I'm not losing the weight like I'm supposed to because I'm not drinking water. Anyway, this is like the third time I did this video because I had it the wrong way. Anyway, let's go this way. Those are purses I'll be selling on my Etsy store, because they're Coach and I really don't wear Coach anymore. My baby's clothes. I think I'll organize this tomorrow when I do my nails. And I think I need to throw all this away because I used to have them in boxes, and then I would never wear any shoes because, you know, I just never wore any shoes because I never wore my shoes because I would always they will always be hidden, so I never see them. So I put them on racks and stuff. And my bags, and I keep my bags in bags though, because they get so dusty and everything is off the floor. I just need to vacuum. This is dirty clothes. These are clothes I've never worn. All my wedding dress stuff I need to send back, and that's it. All right, well, it's the end of the day. I'm in the bed. Oh my God, you ain't got no clothes on. How you gonna jump in here? And she was going to sleep, and that's why I thought I could end my video.
Yes, but we're going in the video.
Oh, that doesn't sound good. Anyway, thank you for watching.
Subscribe and press the bell and come and see more videos. Bye. Bye, love.
Bye, love. Bye.